Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie, where I simplify website building and WordPress for you. Today I'm going to show you how to change the slug of a custom post type in WordPress completely free and without writing a single line of code. Imagine you have created a custom post type for your WordPress website, but the default slug doesn't quite match your branding or SEO goals. Frustrating, right? Well, in less than 5 minutes, I will show you how to fix that effortlessly using a free plugin. Let's dive in. So step number 1 is to installing the plugin. You will go to WordPress dashboard, click on the Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Remove Custom Post Type Base. Is this one? Just install and activate. Press the link twice to install and activate the plugin. Once activated, go to your WordPress custom post type. In my example, products is the custom post type that I want to modify. If I click the product link to view the slug at the front end, you will notice that the URL, your browser address bar displays the product custom post type followed by the product name slug. Similarly, when accessing a product from the shop page or archive page, the behavior is identical as well. And now let's say I want to remove the post type base slug from the URL, or to be more specific, to align better with my branding. You hop over to the settings tab to access the remove custom post type base settings. And from this page list, you have the ability to select specific custom post type. I selected the products custom post type option, save the changes to assume the switch. This works out of the box. It's a quick solution and extremely lightweight. It will delete custom post base and also will redirect old URLs to the new ones. I also like to refresh the permalinks, and to do that you go to the settings, but you select the permalinks option and then you click to save changes without making any adjustments, and this will refresh your permalink structure to apply the new slug. And that's it. You have successfully changed the slug of your custom post type in WordPress without any coding and absolutely free. If for some reason it's not working, just try with the alternate mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon for more tips on WordPress and website building. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.